Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome, and this is our 1955 Sunbeam Mark III drop head coupe. Hope you like it. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this 1955 Sunbeam Mark III. Ignition on. Ignition light comes up as it should. They don't have an oil light on them. They have an oil pressure gauge over here. And then we'll press the starter button. And off it goes. Settles down to a nice idle. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Here we are under the bonnet of this Sunbeam Mark III, just doing what it's supposed to do, actually idling very, very nicely. She's very quiet at idle. There we have it. Next up, we have driving. Okay, here we are out in this 1955 Sunbeam Mark III drop head coupe. Lots of rattles, especially from the passenger door where the camera's mounted. That's because the hood is up. Into fourth. Down the road we tumble. It drives really well actually. It's actually got a surprising turn of speed to it. The only thing I will say on it, it does appear to be fitted with the optional overdrive. There's a switch down here on the column, but switching the overdrive and nothing is happening. So I suspect that's long dead, the overdrive on it. Other things that aren't working on it, the rev counter and the speedometer. Speedometer will probably just be a cable, but other gauges, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, ammeter and oil pressure are all working as they should. There's no sinister noises from the suspension or brakes or anything. As I say, it is a bit rattly up here from this near side window. But maybe just we haven't got the window seated properly with the hood up. We'll have to check later on. But I think most of the time you have one of these with the roof down, really. Yeah, it's trundles along quite happily. As I say, with a surprising turn of speed for something for the mid-50s. Steers nicely. Stops nicely as well. Steering isn't too vague, the way that sometimes it can be on cars of this age. Third. Obviously column change for the gearbox. Indicators on. And stops nicely by 50 standards. It pulls up nice and straight. Steering's actually quite light on it as well. The steering does self-center properly. Rumble down here a bit, and we'll turn right again. It is a 4-speed box on it, but really first is so low that you only probably use it when you're pulling away, going up hills. It's quite happy just using second, third and fourth. Off we go. regarded as a sporting car. Obviously things have moved on a bit since then. So that's not a good time to speak to him. That quite happily. Now back into the village. As I say, it does brake nicely. So I think there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.